some money. We have identified undervalued, underappreciated, and underexposed time and time again. And our goal and our modus operandi is to continue to find underappreciated, underexposed, undervalued companies every single day before anybody else on the planet. That's something we've done really well. It's something I believe we will continue to do well. And it's because we put in the work. We put in the work, we do the research, and we also have a lot of companies coming to us saying, hey, you know what? We like you guys. We like your community. We want to be in front of your community. Okay, this is a sponsored video. This is a company that wants to be in front of our community. Take a look at the news here. Mindleap Health announces the launch of the world's first telehealth platform for psychedelics integration. Telehealth and psychedelics? Okay, you got my attention. Here's the news. Mydecine Innovations Group, MYCO in Canada, MYCOF in America, ONF in Frankfurt, Germany, is pleased to announce that its subsidiary Mindleap Health's Mindleap telehealth platform will be officially available for download from the iOS and Android stores on September 30th, 2020. Today is September 28th. That means we are 2 days away from launch, and the stock has already started to move. Let's take a look at what happened on Friday. So the stock went up 35.7% on Friday, okay? Wish I had told you before, but better late than never. My job right now is to make sure that you guys are aware of this. I'm not telling you to immediately go buy this stock. I'm not saying you buy it today. It was up 35% on Friday. We'll see how it does today, okay? But it's important that you are aware that this is a stock that's on the move so we can identify the news and identify if this is an undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed opportunity, if this is going to do another dip, if this is going to continue to rip. These are the things we need to identify. This is the US symbol, MYCOF. Now, I did notice that there is a caveat emptor, a skull and bones on the stock. Not a good sign. So just be careful in America if you're planning on buying this stock, because there's something wrong with the security right now. I don't know why it's got a caveat emptor. I'm going to try to see if I can interview the CEO or interview the company to figure out why there's a caveat emptor. But when we look at security details here on OTC markets, you can see that the market cap is a baby market cap of only a 33 million market cap. That is a baby market cap. 162 million shares issued and outstanding, of which 85 million are restricted, 76 million are unrestricted, and apparently only 224,000 held at DTC. So not a tiny share structure, but based on what they're saying is held on DTC, not many shares held at DTC, and a baby market cap of only 33 million, which has a lot of room to grow. So let's just learn more about Mydecine Innovations Group Inc. Mental health crisis has supercharged the need for telemedicine. You guys know I love telemedicine. I brought you guys TDoc first at 100. It went to 200. Congratulations to all members. Now I've been bringing you guys Doc, Cloud MD software, which I brought you guys at 50 cents, did the CEO interview, brought it to you first. Today, pre-market right now, they're sitting at 219. So congratulations to all members on Doc, the #1 small cap telemedicine stock, in my opinion, on the planet. And they've done extremely well. And I am a shareholder of Doc. Now, I'm learning now about Mydecine Innovations Group. I am not a shareholder of this company. I'm literally just learning about it now, and I want to share what I'm learning with you, the people. Mydecine Innovations Group is built for the biggest ever breakthroughs in virtual mental health care and natural medicine. We're witnessing a major disruption event in the healthcare market, a space that's typically very difficult to find significant returns on investments within. The complete overhaul that's revolutionizing the medical sector, which is worth US 10 trillion globally, can be summed up in one word: telemedicine. And you guys know I love telemedicine. So the market's about to open. As the market opens, we will watch MYCO. And if we see any movement or we see anything big happening, I will let you guys know first, okay? In the meantime, let's just continue to learn more about this company. Telemedicine, aka telehealth or virtual healthcare, is being hailed the innovation that will help completely change how we address our healthcare needs and how we invest in healthcare. Sparked by a 50 to 175% or 50 to 175 times increase in telehealth visits, Global X ETFs recently launched the Global X Telemedicine and Digital Health ETF EDOC. Wow, you know what? I didn't even know about that. I'm going to write that down right now. Very interested in that. EDOC. Seeing the shifting landscape, big investments are flooding into telemedicine as more success stories are realized. We're talking 10x and even 20x returns. That's some big returns for investors. A Canadian success story to look at is Well Health Technologies Corp, which has exploded from 27 cents Canadian in March 2018 to a current high of $6.80 on September 2nd, 2020. That's a 2,418% gain, just to mention one. An elusive 25 bagger that's clearly been one of the most successful healthcare tech stock stories in North America. If one 25x return isn't enough for you, how about another? Teladoc Health Inc. is one of the biggest telemedicine players in the world, growing its empire from $9.94 per share on March 2016 to a high of $253 per share on August 4th, 2020. That's 2,445% growth, another 24 times your money. We've identified a segment within the industry that is likely to explode even faster, given an overall lack of need for hands-on care, as seen by other medical fields, mental health. Organizations such as New York Psychotherapy and Counseling Center are transforming 95% of its care to telemedicine, and outpatient psychiatric clinics are converting rapidly to 100% virtual telepsychiatry practice. Telepsychiatry is exploding in Europe and North America, and we believe we found a company that's absolutely built to succeed in addressing the urgent need for solutions to a growing mental crisis. As Time Magazine has recently declared, online therapy may be here to stay, and I believe it is. We've discovered a standout company built on carrying mental health into a much brighter future. It's built on next generation technology, it's telemedicine, and at the cutting edge for research in new treatments for PTSD and depression, with a brain trust that includes 7-time Nobel Prize nominee drug discovery experts and the current head of mental health for NATO and the Canadian Armed Forces. This company has a state-of-the-art telemedicine platform to help connect therapists and patients during a time when people are being kept apart, and is also conducting research that could completely revolutionize the mental health field as we know it. Best of all, the company is undervalued compared to its peers at US 36 per share. The company has closed back-to-back seed rounds of financing, including a more than 1.5 million private placement by Canaccord Genuity, and raised more than 4.5 million for the build-out of its state-of-the-art mycology lab and expansion of operations. Let's now look into the owners of Mindleap Trademark, an advanced digital health platform that's the only digital platform that combines telehealth with mood, emotion, and habit tracking. It's pretty huge, guys. Let's take a look at the stock. We can see it's actually down pre-market 5%. So obviously had a huge move up on Friday, is now retracing. If you're looking to position yourself, this might be a good time. I'm not sitting here and telling you to go and buy it. I'm just telling you to watch it and let me know what your opinion is. Hope you're all having a great day. Hope you're ready for a big week. How's everybody doing this morning? How you doing, Lewis? Hey, Santana RD Finance. How you doing, brother? Robert Singh, good morning, my friend. How you doing? Hope you guys are all ready for a big week. Here's a new pick that I want you guys to put on your watch list. You can see it's actually dipping right now. Okay, let's take a look at the Well, we just jumped back to 27.5. Look at that. Just bounced right back to 27.5, just like that. So we're down 3.5%. MYCO. This is the first time I'm bringing this pick to our community. And you can see here that if we mark in the last 6 months, the highs and the lows, this has been over $1. This has been over $1. This has been $1.14 on June 5th. This was at $1, okay? And then you could see that it came down and it hit a bottom of about 18.5 cents, which was the best entry in the last 6 months. And here now we're just finding out about it. And they had this big move here on Friday. So if we go to the 5-day chart, you could see they had this big move here on Friday. Right now, they're just retracing a little bit, probably a buying opportunity. Did go down to 26 cents temporarily. We're right now at 27.5. We'll be watching this very carefully. And if there's any big moves in the market, we will know because we will be watching. And you can see in America, currently at 20.5 cents, MYCOF. Now be careful in America because it is currently listed as a caveat emptor in America, which means buyer beware. So be careful with that. Not sure why it's got a caveat emptor in America, but we're going to try to figure it out and let you guys know. Once again, the share structure and why Mydecine is positioned to dominate the psychedelics medicine market. Get the latest news and updates right here to your inbox. 7 reasons why Mydecine Innovations Group Inc., MYCO, MYCOF in America, ONFA in Frankfurt, Germany, could be the best health tech play of the year. Wow, that's big. Mindleap trademark is the first to market digital health platform that combines telehealth with mood, emotions, and habit tracking. I think that's pretty interesting. That definitely makes it unique. Telehealth platform with strong revenue model with 2 revenue streams, PaaS, PaaS, and digital products. World-renowned medical and scientific advisory board with accolades and impressive global relationships with veteran organizations. HIPAA certified data collection combined with AI, artificial intelligence analysis, and behavior prediction. Love it. Deep intellectual property portfolio that includes telehealth platform and API being developed at world-class research facilities. State-of-the-art mycology laboratory for generic R&D, research and development. Robust clinical trial pipeline, PTSD, and initial indication. Those are 7 reasons why you should be looking at this stock. And let's just go back and see if we see anything else happening in the markets. Okay, and we're going to look at the 1-day. This is the 1-day, and we will be watching. So you can see it did have a dip here. So you can see it did have a dip. So obviously made a big move here on Friday. Made that move here. And now it had a little dip here. Just did a retrace down to the 26 level. And now it's making a move. And now we're back all the way back up to 28. Look at that. We're already back up to 28. And we're down just 1.75%. So not sure what's going on exactly, but there is a little bit of a sell-off here early on from, I guess, some of the people that saw returns on Friday. And maybe people are seeing this dip buy opportunity and position themselves at 26, and we're already back at 27.5. We've been as high as 28, and we're going to watch this throughout the day. And if it makes any big moves while we're live, or even after we go live, if it makes any big moves, I'm going to let our community, I'm going to let everybody know. You know, that's the modus operandi here. So let everybody know what's going on with the picks before, during, and after any big moves in the market. Okay, so what we do, it's what we do best. We bring in the winners and we bring them to you first. In fact, I can give you guys another psychedelic stock, which I talked to you about last week when it was at like, what, 50 cents. And then after I talked about Mydecine, it exploded. And you can see Mydecine today is at $1.09, up 15%, and is absolutely exploding. And Mind Medicine in America, MMEDF, another psychedelic stock, was up 35% on Friday in America. And you could see MMED, after being up all of last week on news that they're going to go to the NASDAQ, which I broke to you guys, is now up another 15% today, currently at $1.09. So why not MYCO? Telemedicine and psychedelics? That's interesting. Good morning, Ampho Drew. How you doing? Hey, I appreciate you, Santana RD Finance. Thank you, man. I appreciate you. Thank you guys for all your support, man. It means a lot. It means the world. So my whole idea here, the whole concept is to bring you guys picks and break them down. Okay. So here's Mydecine Innovations Group, life sciences industry. Mydecine Innovations Group is a life sciences company dedicated to development and commercialization of adaptive pathway medicines, natural healthcare products, and digital health solutions. You can see all their information here, actually located in Vancouver. See all the company's info. You can see the 3-month chart. So it's been going down, just now starting to turn up at the end here. So we may have found the bottom. 161 million shares issued and outstanding. So not the tightest float. And you can see the depth by market order and who's doing what and the shares that are trading. Let's see if I can refresh this. Now, this is one of their press releases they put out recently. Mindleap was founded with the goal of enhancing the well-being of millions of people that struggle with mental health problems by combining traditional telemedicine with mood and behavioral analytics. The Mindleap platform offers a powerful set of tools for managing mental health care. Joshua Barch, Mydecine Director and CEO, commented, "Our team is thoroughly impressed by the user experience and capabilities of Mindleap, and we're excited to be able to support such an innovative and mission-driven company. The adoption of telemedicine has significantly increased in 2020, and virtual healthcare interactions are on pace to top 1 billion, providing a big opportunity that I'm confident Mindleap can capitalize on." Platform overview. Through Mindleap, users can browse vetted and experienced specialists and easily schedule appointments and purchase mental health services. Specialists on Mindleap benefit from the platform's full freedom to manage their virtual practice on their terms, setting their own prices and choosing the hours they work each week with no minimums or maximums. That's pretty epic. Mindleap has established a model that creates value by facilitating exchanges between mental health specialists and people needing mental health services. The company is focusing on creating a community with network effects that allows users to interact and transact with specialists in order to improve their mental health. Mindleap is free to use for end users and for specialists who want to build a profile. It is only when an end user purchases services on the platform that Mindleap charges a 9% fee as a percentage of each session. So that's how they make their money. Interesting. A 9% fee as a percentage of each session. Interesting. I'm always writing these picks down. I'm writing down anything that I see that I like. I'm writing down anything that I think could move. And I'm always just looking for undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed opportunities. This is pretty cool, guys. Like, you can literally see how the world is changing. And telehealth, telemedicine, psychedelics are really a big part of it. Mindleap founder and CEO Nikolai Vasiv commented, "The world is seeing a crisis that is having unprecedented effects on the well-being of millions of people. Mental health is hands down one of today's most important problems, and our team is thrilled to officially announce the launch of our platform. Effective solutions for psychedelic integration." So this is once again where you start combining psychedelics with telemedicine. You're taking two of the hottest new sectors in the world, psychedelics, which is now becoming medicinal for the first time ever, and telemedicine, which is allowing you to literally get on the phone and speak to a healthcare practitioner. Literally getting on the phone and getting advice. And the world is changing, and it's going to continue to change. So we need to adapt with it. Effective solutions for psychedelic integration. Mindleap is the world's first telemedicine platform uniquely designed to offer psychedelic integration services and currently has over 30 professionals available to offer mental health support to clients. Psychedelics offer a window into the mind, and integration specialists help clients through a systematic process that can turn their psychedelic experience into something practical. This can include helping make sense of unique images or ideas that come to mind during a psychedelic experience, as well as setting new goals, habits, and behaviors that can help to improve a person's life. Over the past decade, a growing body of research published by leading academic institutions such as Imperial College of London, Yale University, and Johns Hopkins University has demonstrated that psychedelic medicines like psilocybin, the active compound found in magic mushrooms, MDMA, and ketamine can be used as effective and safe treatments for a variety of mental health conditions, which often significantly outperform today's standard pharmacological treatments and therapies. While Mindleap does not encourage people to spend time on their phones while taking psychedelic substances and does not facilitate psychedelic use via the platform, the company recognizes a deep need for people to connect with trained professionals who can help them discuss and understand their individual psychedelic experiences. Dr. Danielle Weiss, Director of Product Development, commented, "When designing Mindleap, we focused on combining the real need for integration after a psychedelic experience with modern and innovative technologies that can help improve the overall therapeutic experience along with outcomes. And the decriminalization and legalization movement progress, we aim to be at the forefront in supporting the psychedelic community and people that are searching for real solutions that are effective, but also safe and properly informed." Later this year, Mindleap will be expanding by adding mental health specialists with different aptitudes, as well as digital therapeutics marketplace that will allow users to access comprehensive mental health programs. These additional offerings will focus on various topics such as meditation, addiction, psychedelic integration, drug harm reduction, and holistic wellness. Mindleap puts users' privacy and security first. Mindleap recognizes the immense responsibility in handling people's mental health data and is setting a new standard for both user privacy and data integrity. Foremost, Mindleap will never sell or license user data, huge, including electronic personal health information, EPHI, to anyone. I hope Facebook is listening. Mindleap also has strict policies around how data is handled and stored. All data is encrypted, in transit, and at rest. And specialists are not permitted to save their clients' data. They can only view it temporarily while the user chooses to share it during a video call. That's huge. That's huge. Mindleap's software development team has built the platform to meet all HIPAA guidelines by implementing secure electronic access to health data and remains in compliance with privacy regulations and best practices. Mindleap's Chief Technology Officer Simon Abou-Antoun commented, "Mindleap was designed to improve upon existing software solutions. Our development team is already working on enhancing our capabilities so Mindleap can capture market share in the fast-growing digital healthcare market that is estimated to reach USD 510.4 billion by 2025. In my opinion, the fastest growing, or at least one of the fastest growing industries in the world. So why am I talking to you about this now? The official launch date, guys, right around the corner, September 30th. That's Wednesday. Hey, Mark, how you doing? Have I seen MindMed today? Of course I've seen MindMed today. I brought you guys MindMed. Have I seen MindMed? I brought you guys MindMed. All right. Official launch date, Mindleap will be available for iOS and Androids on Wednesday, September 30th, 2020. Register to be the first to download and get $25 of free credits on Mindleap. About Mindleap Health. Mindleap is a telehealth solution that helps people connect with mental health specialists that can empower them to thrive and develop habits for the healthy mind. The Mindleap platform brings convenience, improves access to treatment, and can lead to more personal breakthroughs. Mindleap's proprietary platform is designed by clinical psychologists and neuroscientists to provide professional support and personalized treatment for every user. Our vision is to be for a world where people can make lasting life changes by having advanced tools and access to expert mental health professionals right from the palm of their hands. About Mydecine's Innovation Group. Mydecine's Innovation Group trademark is a publicly traded life sciences parent company dedicated to the development and production of adaptive pathways medicines, natural health products, and digital health solutions stemming from fungi, otherwise known as mushrooms. Mydecine's experienced cross-functional teams have the dynamic capabilities to oversee all areas of medicine development, including synthesis, genetic research, import, export, delivery system development, clinical trial execution, through to product commercialization and distribution by leveraging strategic partnerships with scientific, medical, military, and clinical organizations. Mydecine is positioned at the forefront of psychedelic medicine, naturally derived from fungi therapeutic solutions and functional trademark mushrooms vitality products. Our portfolio of unified companies, including Mydecine Health Sciences trademark, Mindleap Health trademark, and Neuropharm trademark, focus on providing innovative and effective options that can provide millions of people with a healthier quality of life. That is Mydecine's Innovation Group. That's one of their last news. This is their website, Mydecine.com. Hey, you can see the pictures of the mushrooms. That's pretty cool. Yes, MindMed is on fire, as predicted. Woo! Mark, you're up 103% on MindMed? My man. That's what I'm talking about, brother. And hey, brother, where'd you get that pick first? You know where you got that pick first. And if you guys want to get access to our picks, all you need to do is join our community and join our trading academy. It's very simple. For a simple investment of $200 a month, you're going to get access to picks that are going to explode first. And as you can see, Mark Reed is one of our members. And he's up 103% so far on Mind Medicine, not to mention the fact that he's made money on TAT and other picks as well. Congratulations, Mark. I'm super proud of you, brother. And I bring you another pick that I believe has a chance to also explode, MYCO. And really, to be honest with you, at 27 cents, this is still really early. This is still really, really early. Still really, really early, in my opinion. And we're just getting started, bringing picks. As far as we're concerned, we've been doing it for 3 years, and we're going to continue to do it. And I believe we're getting better at it, right? So here's MYCO down 5%, might be a buying opportunity. MYCOF in America down 2%, might be a buying opportunity. Now, it does have a caveat emptor in America, so buyer beware. Don't just immediately go and buy it just because I'm talking about it, but there it is. It just went green. MYCOF just went green while we were live. So obviously somebody likes it, and it is literally now green while we've been live. So the website is mydecine.com, MYDECINE.com. You can go to their website and learn more about their portfolio, their story, where they came from, investors info, news and media. And if you want to learn about their leadership, you just click on our leadership and you can learn more about their leadership. So Joshua Barch is the CEO, and let's just learn about Joshua Barch. David Joshua Barch is Director, President, and CEO of Mydecine Innovations Group. Mr. Barch's entrepreneurial career took off in 2009 when he co-founded AudioTranscriptionist.com and founded the Denver-based dispensary Doctor's Orders. Following these ventures, Mr. Barch founded a boutique investment firm that operated throughout the US and Canadian markets. In 2014, Barch co-founded Cannabase.io, the USA's most significant legal and sophisticated cannabis wholesale platform. Interesting. In 2015, Cannabase.io was acquired by Helix TCS. Interesting. So this is the Mydecine website. And MYCO has been as low as 26 cents today. That's the bottom so far for today, right here. And it's right now at 26.5. So did have a big day on Friday. This might be a simple pullback. I'm not suggesting you go and chase it. I'm not suggesting you go and buy it. But what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to educate people about this company. I want you to know about it. I want you to be aware of it. And if they do explode, or they have some big revenues, or they have some big news, at the very least, you need to know. That's what this is about. It's about understanding what's out there and getting to know about it first so you can make educated decisions based on the news, based on what's happening in the market, based on trends, and from there, be able to identify a bottom, hopefully, get in early, and then buy the dip, and then when you see profits, sell the rips. And that's what we talk about, and that's what we focus on within our trading academy, within our community, every single day. And if you want access to that, all you got to do is email me. I'll put the email within the chat here live. richtvlive@gmail.com, and you can learn more about our trading academy. Just email me and I'll send you all the details. Okay, so that's the share structure on MYCO, and let's just continue to read a little bit more here. So Mydecine Innovations Group, okay, is dedicated to revolutionizing healthcare, telehealth, and medical solutions for mental health and vitality. By leveraging strategic partnerships with scientific, medical, military, and clinical organizations, Mydecine is not only poised to make an incredible impact with its platform, Mindleap trademark, but also through the development of medicines derived from mushrooms. Mydecine is led by an incredible management and advisory team, which includes multiple Nobel Prize nominations. Wow, multiple Nobel Prize nominations, expertise tied to the monumental launch of Red Bull, and institutional connections that include ties to NATO, Yale, and the University of Alberta. Now that's impressive. Mydecine Innovations Group is a powerhouse with advantages that put it right at the top of the booming telemedicine market that's projected to reach $185 billion by 2026. Beyond providing an incredible platform that brings together doctors and patients and helping users monitor their progress, Mydecine is also working on the next generation of treatments. To accomplish this task, the company has everything it needs to cover all areas of medicine development, including synthesis, genetic research, import-export, delivery systems development, and clinical trial execution through to product commercialization and distribution. These are Mydecine's 3 key platforms for success. Mindleap Health is an advanced digital telehealth platform helping people connect with mental health specialists who can empower users to thrive and develop habits for a healthy mind. Neuropharm is the research and development arm managing clinical trials and a proprietary set of pharmaceutical and natural health products addressing mental wellness in vulnerable populations. Mydecine Life Sciences deals with developing proprietary formulations of novel functional trademark mushroom vitality products and psychedelic medicines to produce better options for people to live healthier lives. Mental leaps and bounds made with Mindleap. Now I'm also going to look at their deck. This is the full deck. It's 25 pages. Mydecine Innovations Group, revolutionizing nature's medicine for mental health and vitality. You can see the full disclaimer. And full disclaimer, guys, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. This is a sponsored ad, and we believe that this has a chance to be a very good long-term story. And my modus operandi when I do these videos is to bring you undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed opportunities. And I believe we've done it as well, if not better than anyone on the planet. And I believe we will continue to. Because of that, more and more companies are recognizing the power of our community and that we have a real community of investors, and they are contacting Rich TV Live and they want to be on our show. That's a fact. They want to be on our show. They want me to interview them. They want me to talk about their companies. And I believe this will continue and continue to evolve. And we will continue to find better companies that are underappreciated, underexposed, undervalued. And we're going to find bigger, better companies that maybe you're already aware of that we're going to talk about within our community that are the best in the world. We want you investing in the best in the world and the best undervalued companies that have a chance to be the best in the world in the future. That's all we want you to invest in. And we don't want you to invest in losers here. We only want you to invest in winners. I can't guarantee that every pick's going to be a winner. But what I can guarantee is that as a community, if we put in the work and we put in the research, we have a very good chance of finding winners. That's what I can guarantee you. So you can see Mydecine evolved, all their partnerships, all their group of business, all their companies. And some of this stuff is very redundant, so I'm not going to just continue to read the same stuff over and over again. But I will just show you some of the key points that I think are very important. So mental disorders are on the rise in every country in the world and will cost the global economy $16 trillion by 2030, which is why we need solutions. Tackling mental health's biggest problems with our solutions. Take a look at some of these numbers. 450 million people suffer from mental health issues worldwide. And now because of COVID-19, you have to assume that number is going up. You just have to assume it. How you doing, Pat? Hope you're having a great day. 300 million people lacking help and 100 million plus unresponsive to treatment. Our solution, create novel, cost-effective medicine and complement primary offerings with affordable mental health digital solutions that can be accessed from anywhere. Love it. They see a problem, they're creating a solution. These are the types of companies I love, guys. Companies that are changing the world. So 450 million people are suffering from mental health issues. What's the solution? Create highly scalable treatments, including digital therapeutics, plus virtual specialist sessions. Telehealth. Mental health is lacking data-driven solutions, especially in specialist contexts. Our solution, create passive monitoring systems and train predictive models to use these as proxies for mental health states and share this information with users and mental health specialists. 30% of veterans will develop PTSD. Our solution, through our ecosystem and staff expertise, network and partners, we have the ability to fast track adaptive pathway medicines to get the military community the help they need in the fastest way possible. So those are some of the solutions. You can see here the focus, health and vitality with functional trademark products. Consumers are shifting away from synthetic chemicals, harmful supplements, and unhealthy food products in recognition of increased health benefits and a better lifestyle. Thus, the solution, MYCO. Now you can see MYCO is down 8% today in Canada and slightly down in America. Not much, but slightly. So, like I said, don't just immediately chase it just because I'm talking about it. This is the first time I brought it to the community. It did go up a lot on Friday. So We may be seeing a sell-off just based on what it did on Friday. The key is if you're an investor, where is your entry? What's your entry point, right? What will be a good entry point if you want to get into the stock, right? And I'm not telling you to buy the stock, but if you want to get into the stock, what's a key entry point? That's really what I look at when I'm looking at a stock. We want to look at the 1-year chart. You can see that clearly we've been much higher, and this is the lowest we've really been in quite some time. And you can zoom in and see, I marked it up on the chart, but you can zoom in and see that we've just had a move from the bottom, right? We've had a move from the bottom, which I marked, which was at 26 cents. It did go up to 27, and we're right now back to around 26. So finding a bottom at 26, jumping up, coming back down to 26 again, and we've seen it much higher, even just recently, like a month ago to the day, it was at 57 cents. That would be a nice move. If this jumped back to 57 cents, you would double your money. So I think that's a very interesting situation there. So just recently, if I'm an investor and I'm looking at something that just recently was at 57 cents and then dipped down and has created this opportunity here, I have to think that there's a very good chance that maybe it goes back up to 57 cents. And if it does go back up to 57 cents, maybe there's a chance for us to double our money. Just saying. I'm not saying it's going to. There's a chance, right? There's always a chance. So as you can see here in America, it is up 2% right now. So it is making a little bit of a move up. You can see it's just turning up. Not huge, but little trend up. So let's see if this will continue in America. And in Canada, currently down 8%. So down 8% in Canada, up 2% in America. Kind of interesting how they're trading a little bit different, but that's the markets. Never really know what to expect in these markets sometimes. Okay. Now let's talk about some of the mental leaps and bounds made by Mindleap. Let's face it, out of all the devices you own, that's one that knows you best is your smartphone. You have it on at all times, and how you feel determines how you use it. There's so much you can learn about yourself just from how you use your phone. Now, open up the phone's ability to connect with you, professionals, who can help you deal with stress, stresses, mental health concerns, and overall self-improvement goals. And you've got the perfect combo. A phone that knows you, that can keep track of everything, and then can open up the world on how to protect you and help you with your health. It's brilliant. Now open up that phone's ability to connect you with professionals who can help you deal with stresses, mental health concerns, and overall self-improvement goals, and you've got the perfect combo. Mindleap trademark is working towards contributing to the evolution of mental health, enabling the mass adoption of mental health treatment across the world. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This is groundbreaking. Like, this is crazy huge. I know I bring you guys winners and winners and winners over and over again, and then they explode. But I'm telling you guys right now, what I'm trying to explain to you that's going on here, this is huge. This is absolutely huge. They take the information off your phone and they use it to determine how they can help you. Brilliant. Our phones know us better than anybody. It's brilliant. I like brilliant technology. I like breakthrough technology. I like disruptive technology. I've never seen anything like this before, honestly. And I've seen a lot of different companies, and I brought you a lot of new companies that nobody's ever talked about, like TAT, like Doc, like Very, like Baby, like K&R, like CRDL, like VST, like MindMed, just to mention a few. All by the way, have been winners for our community. Each and every one of them have gone up. And I brought them to you first. I think this is going to go up too. I think it's going to go up. I really do. The question is from exactly what point would be the good entry. So this is where innovation of Mindleap from Mydecine Innovations Group Inc. stands out as a major tech injection into a sector that desperately needs it. It's one of the best use cases for telemedicine industry. And you know I love telemedicine. If a patient already suffers, oh, look, it's going up in America now, up 3.66%. You know I'm liking that. Anytime a stock goes up when I'm live, you know I'm liking it. You know I'm liking it because you know that there's members watching in America. Just saying. It's one of the best use cases for the telemedicine industry. If a patient already suffers from mental health issues, it's going to take a lot to have them drive to the doctor's office, wait in the waiting room with other people with their mask with similar disorders, and have enough courage to speak to someone in person. Doesn't make sense to open up your app at home. We feel that this is a game changer for the industry. Open up your app, and instead of waiting in a doctor's office, just open up your app. That's your doctor's office. Your phone is your doctor's office. Oh man, if you don't see how this is a game changer, I'm sorry, I can't help you. But if you see how this is a game changer, then we're on the same wavelength. We're seeing eye to eye. We feel that this is a game changer for this industry. Didn't I just say that? Mindleap is AI-powered, artificial intelligence powered, aftercare smartphone app platform. Not only connects patients with their therapists, but also can significantly improve upon monitoring progress, provide follow-up treatment, and give patients other beneficial activities such as meditation, breathing work, and yoga instruction. Yoga instruction? Breathing work? See, I didn't see that coming. Mindleap platform will provide, a lot of people love yoga, right? Especially here in Vancouver. Oh, FDIT is up 104% today? My man, Mark, you're having a big day today, my friend. Mark, today's the day where you go and talk to all your friends about how successful you are and how your picks are up. You have 2 picks up 100% today, brother. Who brought you those picks, my friend? Who brought you FDIT, my friend? Super proud of you, brother. Congratulations on your success, man. You deserve everything you get, my friend, because you're listening, you're winning, and you're watching. And you're watching, and you're winning. And that's what this is all about. This is all about helping the members win. And Mark is a member, and he listens carefully. And when I give the picks, he wins. Super proud of you, brother. Congratulations. Hey, Mark, do not be afraid to take profits, brother. 104% on 2 picks. You must be thinking about taking profits, especially on FDIT, my friend. Okay? Mindleap platform will provide convenient and more affordable access to mental health services, psychedelic aftercare, addiction, and holistic wellness services, on-demand access to mental health programs, automated appointment booking and international payments, secure and confidential video sessions, critical tools for improved outcomes and personal care, easy-to-use software with fast learning curve for specialists, secure encrypted systems that is HAPAA and GDPR compliant, high engagement features, and gamification that improve user experience. Perhaps most importantly, from value add standpoint, is the data that Mydecine Innovations Group can collect from the platform's connection to clinics across the globe. In order to expand across the world-class mental health solutions, Mindleap is developing new 30-day transformation programs that will be offered as in-app purchases on the platform this fall. Our focus is on creating real solutions for the mental health crisis, and these new offerings will allow Mindleap to have international reach and affect more lives during these times of crisis. The pandemic has left people depressed, isolated, and support is needed now more than ever. Mindleap's founder, Nikolai Vasic. And I believe I will be interviewing Nikolai, so stay tuned to that interview. Telehealth stocks are outperforming the street. Before we go into more detail about Mydecine's business, let's take a look at how the impact of this crisis has accelerated the growth of telehealth companies. The growth has been exponentially mind-boggling, and this is why I'm constantly talking to you guys about telemedicine. According to research from Frost and Sullivan Consultants, telehealth visits in the US surged 50% in March, back at the start of the health crisis. Wow, that's crazy. Telehealth use grew from just 8% of Americans in December 2019 to a whopping 29% in May 2020. Wow. It grew by 21% in a few months. That is unbelievable, as primary care and mental health physicians and specialists have turned to remote care out of necessity. Shockingly, 1/3 of Americans are now showing signs of clinical anxiety or depression amid the current global health crisis. Last year, the number was only 1 in 10 Americans. That is a shocking statistic. Lockdown-related suicides and overdoses are on the rise, leading to some of the most tragic fallouts from the crisis. Solutions are clearly needed, and innovators are answering the call. Mydecine Innovations Group has seen tremendous growth and witnessed its share price swing from a low of 6 cents in March, which was a phenomenal entry point, to a high of $1.12 in June, for a surge of 1,760%. So when they did this article, it was trading at 52 cents in Canada, 38 cents in America, and it's come down since this article. Could that be a buying opportunity? And they believed when this article was published that at 35 cents a share, there was a lot of room for growth. Well, it's only at 20 cents a share in America now. If you liked it at 35 in America, you're probably going to like it a lot more at 20. So when you compare it with some of the other telemedicine stocks, which I've also brought to you guys, CloudMD software, you could see the price share where it started, where the market cap is, and the share price increase. You can see Well Health, WELL in Canada, WLYYF in America, another telemedicine stock that's surged. And DOC in America is DOCRF. So you can see that Mydecine Innovations has increased 280% from its low. DOC, 314% from its low. Well Health, 279% from its low. And a couple picks on the NASDAQ are ONEM, which is up 36%, and TDOC on the New York Stock Exchange, which I brought you guys at $100. And I was the first in the world I know on YouTube ever to talk about TDOC. And it went from $100 to over $220, 166% gain. So because we have already shown you some of the industry's 2,500% growth Cinderella stories that have taken place so far, investors today need to start by only focusing on early stage players. Big investment dollars are currently flowing into the telemedicine space, including digital telemedicine provider Ro, successfully raised $200 million to hit a $1.5 billion valuation for the company. Wow, Ro. I'm writing that down. RO. And Johnson & Johnson, I'm going to write down J&J, which I actually already have on my list, is investing $47 million into the telehealth company Telemedicine. Telehealth giant Amwell. I always like to write everything down, and then I do my research. Raised $194 million in financing led by Allianz, X, and Takeda. Sun Life is taking a $32.7 million stake in $43 million financing round for telemedicine provider Dialogue. What? Sun Life getting into telemedicine. Dialogue. I write all this down, and then afterwards I do the research, and if I like the pick, I'll bring it to you guys. Telemedicine company Eden Health raised $25 million in a Series B financing, raising its valuation to close to $100 million. Doctor on Demand raised $75 million in a funding round led by private equity firm General Atlantic. Merger between Teladoc and Livongo worth $38 billion makes new entity Televongo into the world's largest virtual care company. Knowing that Mindleap is the only advanced digital health platform that combines telehealth with mood, emotion, and habit tracking. We believe it has the tools to appeal to doctors and patients alike and to achieve the results that only Mydecine Innovations Group, MYCO in Canada, MYCOF in America, ONFA in Frankfurt, Germany, can be achieved in the space at this time. So Mydecine is the complete package. So really, really interested in this company. Love to know what you guys think. Love to know your guys' opinions. If you like this video, please smash the like button, comment down below, and share this video everywhere. Do I follow ticker PILL? PLL? No, I'm not familiar with that one. Is it doing well? Hey, Lawrence, ELEF has a PR today. Very nice. Forrest Dump says CLIS. All right. You guys are talking about some of the picks. Oh, Clickstream. Boom. How you like them apples? Up 19%. Yes. Yes. Love it. Absolutely love it. CloudMD, Doc, another telemedicine stock, which I brought to you guys, I am a shareholder of, is up today, slightly 2%. BlackRock Gold, another company which I talked to you guys about, and they are up 11% today. They are screaming up. And Find It, FDIT, screaming up now 94% at 13.5 cents. And another pick that I brought to our community first, I think I brought it to our community at 6 cents. And now they're at 13 cents. Congratulations to all members. So what we do, we bring in the winners and we bring them to you first. That is what we do best. And we've done it time and time and time again. And we're going to continue to do it. Yeah, I mean, I like ELEF, another company that I brought you guys. So big fan of both of those deals and a lot of the deals that you guys are talking about. So congratulations to all members. And guys, continue to do your research, continue to do your due diligence before you invest in anything, and continue to understand the sectors. So you can see I'm doing a lot of research. I want to know why this company is going to explode. And when I'm doing the research and I see all these statistics, this is the reason why. If you see a sector that's growing and you see a company growing in that sector and they've got a reasonably tight share structure, strong management team, and they're doing the right things, and they've got a marketing plan to really tell their story to the world, which is a sound plan. And if you're a public company, you have everybody working together in order to ensure that the company moves in the right direction, you can have massive success. You can see the statistics here. This is a booming sector. A booming sector. I'm not going to go through all the statistics. I could be here all day long. But clearly this is a booming sector with enormous upside. And I'm going to continue to do the research, and I'm going to continue to do the due diligence on this company and other companies to try to bring you the biggest and the best opportunities first. That's the plan. That is the modus operandi. That is the only thing that matters to me, is that our community wins and our community gets financial freedom. And the only way to do that is to identify these companies first. We get in early, we buy the dips, we sell the rips, and that's it. So love what I'm seeing here. I'm going to continue to do more research. And if I find any other information about this company that I think is pertinent to you, if I see anything else that I think you need to know about, I will bring it to you guys first. But in the meantime, this is the first time I've ever talked about this company, and I'm excited about it. And I think there's enormous upside. It's dipping. So usually when I talk about a stock, it doesn't dip. So the fact that it's even dipping is also a good thing, because that means it gives us a pretty good buying opportunity. So love to know what you guys think. Comment down below. Please let me know what you think about Mydecine Innovations, MYCO in Canada, MYCOF in America. And I am planning to interview the CEO. So when I do, if you guys have any questions, please drop the questions in the description of this video, so that when I do interview the CEO, I think it's going to be tomorrow, then I'll be able to ask those questions. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not winning, you're probably not watching. We bring in the winners and we bring them to you first. We've been doing this since 2017 and we're just getting started. Thank you guys. Have yourselves a great day. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm out. Peace. Mydecine's major mushroom advantages. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later. If there's anything else that's popping or anything else that's going on, please let me know. And if I see anything, I will let you know. See you guys.